midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize the neighborhood. And whosoever shall be found without the soul for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell. Stenches in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly goons from every tomb, closing in to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver, for no mere mortal can resist the evil call of the forever. It's great fun.